I'm gonna have this week, you know, knock on any wood here or anything like that. Knock on wood, right? So, all right. So this is the new part. This is the new part. All right, take the new part out. Plug it in. It plugged in. You see this locked in right here, right? Make sure I get this. It locked in, right? Plug this in. We're gonna line this up now. Let me get the right. This lines up here. Let me put this on top right here. This is supposed to slide right here like this. Whoop. Actually, make sure this fits before. Yep, yeah, it fits inside. Yeah, so it's supposed to fit inside. The bezel thing's supposed to fit inside, so yep. Take this right here. These line up. Make sure that there's one. Whoop, 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 whoop. Let me see, what am I doing with the right side now? Is it fitting in there? Okay. And then stuff like this, make sure you just try to do it right the first time, because it just it's a gimme repair, you know, or it should be at least. Oh, see, there it is. Look, this goes on the other side. Aha. They give you a little. You see this little thing I missed right here? As I was just talking about, making sure to do things properly, right? The gimme repairs. And look, oh look, it snapped in. So there's that. Oh. Take the new screws, hold this in place, right? And I'm gonna go under here. I'm gonna hold this in place and just screw this up. And, Alright, make sure that's in there. Okay. It's gonna be a little tricky, but can my drill fit up there? My drill can fit up there. So what I'm gonna do is just turn this now. Whoop. You know what? Okay. That's sitting